The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch?
Going back over here because the whole river turned upon my name. The whole river turned upon my name. I'm been telling him to listen. If you want that girl, go on here. I'm been telling him to listen. Them girls in a class, them girls here all kind of disease and sin, and then you can't come give me. Him take Jesus off of the cross. Same man the girl the last week him come in and give me $1 for the baby. Me had my back out to the chair for last week. Him come in. Him a got a party Monday. I'm saying, Ryan, where you get money got a party? Tomorrow, him walk down about him business. So where you go? The next day him come party. I love him. Hello?
Yeah, me hear you.
Since evening him come, him say him a go one party. So I say I got a party. How much money you left in at the house? Him say 6. I'm say around 6 grand. Remember say you not give me the money last week, you know. So that means say your pay is supposed to look a bit more. So you must get more because I have to go to market or something. You say if not food, not cook, Miss Murray. Him not give me the money last week. If me not cook, him beg till him want boss. I come and I say Ryan come here and argue. I walk along the road and hear. I say the ears of the girl say she got disgrace you. See her class them and the black kickers where she give you. Why you love sweet so? You know I'm going, Agishan going. One yam me down, I say, alright, Ryan, I'll get to you alpha. Hey, a big pussy friend of my car call up my name. I say, I'm not car down the road me go. And here somebody say, Nikki, the girl say, I got disgrace your baby father. I talk to him before him come out and say, what party me I go? I say, I got a girl here, boy, I got a party. So one spirit doesn't put on my clothes on her. Him and I say, in a party, somebody see with him.
Where you showing them eye?
A toilet bowl cleaner. Right, make me feel like me I go mad, Miss Maureen. No matter how I say my reason, I say Ryan just tell me the truth and make a work out the truth. It make me feel like me I go crazy. It might nobody not the lane of fat time paranoid. It might say people that the people in the lane not tell me nothing because them tell me them know me a mad man, they not tell me nothing. Every time I go down the road, somebody can say, Nikki this time, Nikki man this time, Nikki this time. I say, Ryan, I do not like it. Leave out the girl. I say, don't want to leave her. Go on and feed you to her.
Nikki.
One, yeah?
So why am I bleed?
What do you say?
Why am I bleed?
Now, three man will not follow me use my knife and easy, man. Come here, swing off him and the knife catch him. Me have to go over there, I swear, you see me? My aunt no good, I'm never gonna make him make my aunt kill me in my bed, I'm sorry. Me no want to lie down in my bed and bed still me boss. So me really have to put on my clothes and walk go feed my 2 eye them. Can go like him set me for eat them. Say don't nobody hear me tell some breed out of school. Me never sing at me, I'm a baby July and go back in school September. My mom never sit down let me sing with my baby here. Me have to go so I can read and write well. So stop make me feel like me I'm mad. Me have a phone and show him everything in my phone. Me show him if me not time strong him want yam me in my house. My arm say Ryan, if you do not happy, go on yeah, go live your life. Go on, go live your life, Ryan.
I'm blind, you know.
Him what?
I'm blind.
Sorry. But me never gonna make him like me, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. So then you walk over Riverton and go and come on integrity?
I'm afraid. It's when you're ignorant to do anything, yeah. Cause some man, you're your woman cuss over something. And some man that said, so, I never know about to walk over. Him daring and dry and does not care. So I say, I shoot me to swim something. So I put on my clothes and leave out behind him.
Nowadays, if some man and him man have born you, you born back the man.
No, that not in me, that me a try from go on, brother. Me around there for years and I never to come on pan Ryan yet. And Ryan, I tell you right now, give me nothing. It's just a person who forget my money. I'm always have my little thing going. Either I'm a partner or I'm ask them or something. So I'm not really stress him, but nothing. I just love make him live him life. I'm saying if he is not happy, go. Me don't know what else me can do. Go and go live your life, brother. Me Me is not happy for you. I go out and I come in and I go out and I come in and I go out and I come in. What is this all about? What them saying them out, Mr. Ryan? Go on.
So that cat
Go on. What you say?
So that cat to blind him?
I never, me tell you, I just chew the stuff. Hello, I see me go over that time. When me look on, me say this girl and I have a close to my whole lamp on her, you know. Me just whole lamp on him, you know.
Get somebody else and burn up.
Them lucky because where them a whole lamp on me, let me tell them I stab up one of them too. Because them a come whole lamp on me, them don't know when me I go through. So anybody want to talk. Ask your son. Mr. Ryan lies until me said she not even know me this morning. Some lie with that boy they tell me, I'm telling him to stop telling me lie, just tell me truth. Me work better with the truth. Me is a very open-minded person. Me said tell me the truth and stop telling me lie, make me feel like I'm paranoid.
Nikki.
It make me feel like I'm paranoid, Miss Maureen.
But if I tell you about cleaner, it wanna do him so that is like a
Me say toilet cleaner. Toilet bowl cleaner.
No, that is not toilet bowl cleaner, Nikki.
Don't tell me when me use Miss Maureen, it's not acid. Where me get acid from? A toilet bowl cleaner is not acid.
Then why you choose to go off and face? Why you choose to go off and face?
Penis is then taller than my blood shape on him belly. He must come off and me some little splash it.
But you could, when you flash it, you could catch him. You see it, and him alone, there's a girl and did it, when it threw up and it jump and it goes up, if you're supposed to see how it did the ground, that is not toilet bowl cleaner.
Me say a toilet bowl cleaner. See, that's a my blouse there. It catch my blouse cleaner. I never burn out my blouse and I green army blouse my Avan. Me tell say toilet bowl cleaner.
Aye. Run the body, but can imagine him. Aye. Nikki, may I tell you? Well, him down there at Butterfield Eye Hospital and him blind. Him can't see out that blind. Him blind down there. Come here, keep in touch down there. Him blind down there. The doctor them a word pan man. Him blind down there. 5 him have 5. Blind down, and that's a loving father.
You see things about arm here. Where get 5 feet from?
That's our loving pitney. That's our loving father. That's our
loving father. Where get 5 kids from? Now the twin them and Jazzy.
That's our loving father.
That will be 4. So where next one come from? To say I have 5 kids.
Viewers and subscribers, on a real, I have no confirmed information about anything that has been said in that audio. See me? I can't tell if it is true or if it is not true, because you know sometimes you have persons who make up plays or the stunts on social media for the likes or the views, so I cannot tell if the things that have been said in this audio, if it is true. However, the audio that I just presented to you is circulating on social media where it is said that a love affair gone bad. You see me, some places on social media it is said that the audio is about a relationship that gone bad and other things have been said about the audio. You see me? Yeah, the audio is also circulating on social media with a picture that shows 2 persons, you see me? And some places on social media, the picture and the audio have been put into a video, you see? So, you know, you, my viewers and subscribers, you can let me know if you think the things that have been said in this audio, if it is true. And you can also let me know what you think overall about some of the things that have been said. You see me, I say? Yeah. And a real... If the things that have been said in the audio, if it is true, it's really bad. You know, in a part of the audio here where someone said something about 5 children, like someone said the man have 5 pitney or 5 kids. It's rough. So if it is true, and to know that the man blind, it's tough. Other things have been said in the audio, viewers and subscribers, but you know, I'm just going to leave it right there. As I say. Alright, you can let me know what you think about some of the things that have been said in the audio. So you can let me know if you think the audio is of something that happened for real or if it is of something that don't happen for real or what. Alright? Alright, so let me know what you think. Alright. I got informations that the musician who goes by the name of Tommy Lee Sparta got sentenced for illegal possession of firearm and illegal possession of ammunition on the 24th of March, the year 2021, at a courthouse somewhere within the country of Jamaica. It is said that Tommy Lee Sparta got sentenced 3 years for illegal possession of firearm, and it is said that he got sentenced 2 years for illegal possession of ammunition. It is said that he pleaded guilty to the charges, and it is said that he's going to serve both sentences at the same time. So because of that, it is said that he's going to stay 3 years in prison. Some time ago, within the month of December, the year 2020, Tommy Lee Sparta had been arrested by the police within the country of Jamaica after the police found an illegal firearm in his possession with illegal ammunition. You see me I say? And after that, he had been charged, you see me? And it is said that the incident where he had been arrested happened at a place that is known as Holborn Road, that is within New Kingston, Jamaica. You see me? I only hope that everything will be okay and alright for Tommy Lee. You see me I say? Good artist, you see me I say? So big up Tommy Lee, you see me? And big up to you, my viewers and subscribers. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm in your dancer, Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.